back. We're here with another video, and today I'm going to be talking about Nmap. Note that this tutorial is for educational and authorized security testing only. Only scan networks and systems you own or have permissions to test. So, what is Nmap? Nmap, as for the name, it's network mapper. It's used to discover live hosts, scan open ports, detect services and versions, identify operating systems. It is used by ethical hackers, network admins, and the blue teams. So, Nmap comes pre-installed on Kali Linux and all other Linux distributions. I think, well, not all Linux distributions come with all these tools pre-installed. Some you have to install them yourself. So what I'll first going to be showing you is the basic host discovery on Kali Linux Nmap. So first I'm going to be scanning a single target. So let's do the IPA. So I'm going to be scanning my own IP address here. So I'll do the sudo nmap 192.168. Okay. So what I'm going to be showing you is how you can use Nmap to gather information about your network. And on the terminal here, as you can see, the basic Nmap command. You have the sudo nmap 192.168.8.1 is just for the basic Nmap host discovery. So on running this command, you get this output here showing different ports that are open, filtered, closed, and the service they're running on. Next is how you can scan. URL links and domains. So here, as you can see, I did scan google.com, and this was the result that port 80 was open and service was HTTPS. Later, you can also scan the number of live devices connected on a network using this command here by just adding the /24 in front of the network scan /24. And we have captured a number of devices that are live on the network. So we had the home router CPE, and we have an Intel corporate, and also places the open ports on the live devices. So we also had a desktop. So next is that you can use Nmap to check for the service version of the operating system, and you can also increase the aggressiveness of the scan by just adding the tag -A. Just like here, we added the -O for the operating system. Now we add the -A for the aggressive scan, and the -V is for the service version. So did that from the network and this IP address that I own, and we got the version running on it was Huawei router HTTP admin. So this is actually my router, and on the operating system side, we had no operating system, so no exact OS matches of found. And yeah, so we can also use Nmap to check for vulnerabilities on a network. So only by just adding the // script var in approach of the network you're scanning. So this is the Nmap run, and here was the results. So that we had port 53 service the main and HTTP on port 80 that were running, and so different types of vulnerabilities were found. Though as you can see, we have the HTTP XXS vulnerabilities were not found, though we had a slow risk check, meaning our system was vulnerable and can possibly be the DOS attack. Yes, so this is the PHP admin dir traversal. There was also vulnerable PHP admin, meaning and the IDs of the CVE. So we have different types of CVE. These are the common vulnerability exploits. So technically my system is vulnerable to a DOS attack. Those are just a router. So yeah, remember, do not scan networks, do not hold or have permission. Just this video is only for educational purposes.